kayo ni Kia.
Hi!
Hi! Hello!
Hello, Kuya.
Talaga ba yun?
Busog. Konnichiwa! Ang aming ride. Hey! Si Nanay. Nanay!
For your birthday.
Dito ba na anak mo na? Dito ka na anak ko? Ay, mga ba si Lula? Relax ka kuya. Parang kami balikbayan eh.
Chaleng! Chaleng!
Kay katunggon abrang ko'y lanom mapno orin na ano parik mo tunggon kay na ang paano mapno banyo.
Cheers.
Morning.
Chaleng. Ay, bukas na ulit.
Oo nga, bukas na bukas kasi nandito ka.
Bukas, calamari for breakfast.
Naman?
Kaya na lang.
Hindi pa
Calamari.
Kaya na lang.
Sour fish.
Kaya na lang ba yung ito ni...
Hot dog and nuggets.
Cheers.
Morning, no?
Morning. Bon appetit.
Good
Oh, you got your coffee already? Hi, Chaleng. Hi. Hey, Muning. Hi. Wow, ang ganda na ng garden ni Nanay.
Ganda na dito sa likod.
Yeah po. Morning, ating! Morning, Nay!
Oo nga, mas malinis na yung ganito.
Opo, ano?
Nakaano dyan.
Nanay's garden. Pogi naman ah. Ingat kayo ha.
Kasi obvious usually ganyan sa dito lang.
We love you, Nay. We miss you. You're picking fruit from the ground.
Yeah, mamaya balikan natin. See, I still
This is Masinloc.
And Kuya first. And then when Tatay died, because obviously you can see the gap.
Ganyan ang itsura ng marble.
Like you, yeah, when you're in Toronto, you're like telling me like... Is it crime?
This is Masinloc Central Elementary School.
Our alma mater.
Yeah. Welcome to Masinloc Central Elementary School.
Dati dito yung ano.
Your talk subjects in English.
Walking down memory lane. Hovee and Kuya Arlon reminiscing 19 kopong-kopong.
I graduated 1982.
Ooh. And you? 86.
Them, but so jealous. But again, I
was able, after him.
yeah, insurance and Louis. Yeah.
Day 1.
See,
Emergency.
stop bleeding. Oh,
Why do you have 3?
I don't know. I just with the wide mouth.
You got bitten, and all you could think of is alcohol.
Yeah.
Can I have my alcohol still, please?
Alan. Again,
Dito ka, tsaka pa.
Are you already good?
She's working while on vacation. Hehe.
Masinloc Zambales, Philippines! Wait back!
Oi! 13. From 13.
Bukon mo.
Thank you, Ate Belle, for dinner. Enjoy. Hello, guys.
Kuya, tapos na kumain. Ay, kulang ko sa'yo eh.
Kuya, thank you. Kaping barako and chicharon. Perfect combination. Hi, Bidik! Kain tayo ng chicharon. Gusto mo? Good morning. Nandito kami sa bahay ni Kuya Willie and Ate Belle. Terno pa ako sa curtains. Morning! Hi, Bidik! Ganda ng bahay nila, Ate Belle. Morning! Morning! It's nice here. Backyard nila Kuya Willie and Ate Belle. So beautiful. Hi! Hello! Hi! Ooh! Ito mango. Hi, Elias! 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 Hi! Hello! Eggplant, tomatoes, papaya. Uy, daming kamatis. Oh, tamarind. Good morning! This is the malunggay tree. Wow. Ayun yung tamarind right there. So I'm waiting for that one. Papaya tree.
Pero at least doon siya, ano.
Here's my papaya. You enjoying your morning relaxing walk? Monamon. Huge sausages. Fried rice. Itlog.
Giant pure food.
Ikaw kuya. Hindi ka bidig. Ikaw mabay ka na.
Ate Belle, thank you for breakfast. Salamat po.
Thank you.
San Andres Church.
Tumaong sila dito. Bumigat, parang bumigat daw yung
Ayaw nang malaman.
Tama na.
Yung camera,
No. Saan? Dito na kami sa Goodbye. Everyone, mamili po kayo dito. Yan! Galing-galing ang wika. Yun! Si Ika, serving the tito. My favorite, talongs.
Ayan.
Alis tayo sa tunay na mundo Upo na lang at aawin Maghihintay ng pagkakataon Itadaan na lang kita sa awitin ko ito
Sa kusina ni Ma'am Po.
Ayan, sarap.
Ang sarap nga.
Ang sarap nga.
Ay,
Ganyan pala.
Morning. Nanay, good morning. See you next year.
See you next year na.
Pansit sotanghon,
New Zealand, no?
dilis, and longganisa, and rice.
matapon.
Ating bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you po.
Thank you din.
Babu, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you next year. Bye.
Para sa bungat, ini. We'll be back to full now, eh? Imagine last year we're just here, right? Alright.
We love you. No, Dado. Don't stay. Bye.
Sige, ako mag